Hello folks, welcome to our YouTube channel. In the previous video, we have introduced the newest release vacuum cleaner Xiaomi T20, and we have received lots of feedback from you guys saying that the functions are indeed powerful, but the price is a little bit, out of budget. Yeah, of course I can feel you guys, and thanks for all those comments. This time, we have brought you another vacuum cleaner with almost the same functions but way cheaper than Xiaomi T20. That is Mi Vacuum Cleaner G9. How about that? So in this video, we will give you a thorough unboxing and I hope you guys like it. Also, don't forget to subscribe us and leave your comments under this video. Let us know what's going on in your mind. Now, let's get started. G9 has obviously inherited Xiaomi's brand concept. Typical premium product for a budget price. I mean, you can easily perceive this after you've compared other products from its rivals. It's just so straightforward. This guy is equipped with swappable battery, V-shaped brush head, and detachable dustbin, which are normally can be seen only on some so-called top-range products. I'm not going to name them in this video, but you can definitely get my point by doing some homework yourself. So all sum up, Xiaomi G9 just simply put more weight on users' experience. Apparently, they have done a solid homework in R&D, and it turned out to make their users have a chance to reach a high-end outfit and great quality with a relative lower price. Alright, so this is everything we have in this package. First of all, we will go through this main bottle here. So here you can see the Mi logo is right on top of this, and we can see the dustbin is here, and inside of it is the filtration system. And then also the battery is at the back of the holder. And we got a button here. By pressing it, we can easily detach the battery. Pretty simple to go with. And this one is the air tube. This is made of metallic texture. So by attaching air tube with the main motor, you can be able to extend the length of the vacuum cleaner. And also here, this one is the main brush head. And inside of it is a roller, and we have the wheels here for just for easy to move forward and backward. And you can also, by attaching this with the air tube, by simple click, and now you can be able to use it as a vacuum cleaner. Okay, by pressing the button here right on the handle, this is how it works. Okay. And put this one all the way, we have some other accessories here. And this one is another brush head come with the package. It's called the 2-in-1 brush head. We have the tough end, and also we can, by pressing the button, it can change into the soft end. So this is mainly for cleaning parts like the keyboards, like some corners at your home. Okay. And we also have this matte removal brush head. So this was mainly used on some surfaces like sofa and bed sheet. It can remove like 99% of the mites inside of your bed sheet. And we have, of course, the charger, not USB, the charger. We also have this gap brush head. This one is mainly for you to reach some corners that you may normally hard to reach to. And here is the wall mount. So by putting your vacuum cleaner onto the wall, and this will be how it looks like. So you must have to nail this guy onto a wall, and you can make it your vacuum cleaner stand up. So that saved a lot of space. And these are all the manuals. So these are pretty much everything that is in your package. And now let's go into the details. When it comes to battery, I don't know how many of you guys have had or having a vac cleaner in your home, but it makes me feel like sometimes I don't really care about the suction power and some other configurations anymore. As the propaganda goes, I don't care it. Just let me finish my cleaning when I have hard limited time to do the house cleaning. You know what I mean? You don't want to get interrupted by the low power notification in halfway and wait another few hours to let it top up. I'm out of that mood already, okay? So all I'm saying is most of the vac cleaners, they don't have enough battery life. Even some claim that they can last for 1 hour, but here is the tricky point. They're talking about under low efficient mode only. Yes, I'm telling you the truth because I've tested lots of the vac cleaners before, and I know it is like a bottleneck to all the vacuum cleaner producers. It is not easy to break through the technology. Just that simple. Well, Xiaomi definitely noticed this pain spot, and this is how they solve the problem. Make the battery swappable. You can charge up 2 batteries at the same time, and when you use up one, and you can change another one. Just that simple, right? Immediately. That's how you twice the battery life, and that's how you improve the efficiency. Bam, problem solved. Well, there are some of other brands also had this design. I'm not sure if Xiaomi is the first one to do it, but Xiaomi is absolutely the most budget one. Well, as to cleaning power, Xiaomi G9 has 100,000 RPM high-speed brushless motor that can generate 120 air-watt suction power. And it also has 3 years for you to go. Long duration mode, standard mode, and the turbo mode. On top of the power system, G9 has also equipped with the multiple cyclone separation system to ensure the dust bins stay unobstructed and therefore improve the working efficiency. A strong centrifugal force can be created by the cyclone to quickly separate air and dust. Now let's have a physical look at the cleaning ability of G9. Technically speaking, the combination of the high-speed brushless motor, the multiple cone cyclone system, and the V-shaped roller design is the guarantee of its cleaning ability. Now let's check out the brush head, another tricky design that can make G9 different from others. Let me put it in this scenario. If you have a beautiful lady with long hair in-house, you will feel me when I'm talking this. The hair is literally in a wild tangle to everywhere that it's supposed to be, and it's also annoying to clean them up. First of all, it's hard to find them, and it is easy to tangle around on the roller. So, the tricky point on G9 is this V-shaped roller design. All hair and other dust will be directed into the air tube through this V-shaped curve on that roller. On the other hand, this V-shaped roller can work on both floor and carpet, so you don't have to change on different brush heads for different floor types. Let's have a close look at how G9 is working in practice. Also notice that the scrolling wheel design on both sides can reduce the resistance when scrolling on carpet. Easy to move forward and backward. Inside of the G9 package, it also comes with some other brush heads that applied for different scenarios. A mini mite remover that can be used on sofa surface and benches. It's better for removing the dust and mites on them. And we also have this 2-in-1 brush head that can be used on gaps and cracks that are normally hard to reach to, like the sofa gap, that corner, and keyboard. Another critical part we need to bring about is the filtration system. One thing people normally wouldn't tell you is that the waste comes along with lots of tiny particles coming out of the strainer is super harmful to our respiratory tract. So the importance of the filtration system is apparently a most involved indicator to look through. Well, G9 has 5-stage filtration system that can lock down 99.7% of the dust, including some microparticles that can be also locked down by the HEPA filter here, so which can avoid the harm in a large extent. Now let's take a look at the dustbin here. The designed volume is 0.6 liter, not bad for daily use. Also, we can see that one button dust down design here. By simply press the button, you can be able to dump almost all dust inside of the dustbin. That means you don't have to literally using your fingers to clean up the dustbin. If you ever use Dyson, you will know what I'm talking about. And the dustbin is also detachable. Not only the dustbin actually, you can detach the HEPA filter up here to wash water down like this. Easy job. So this is pretty much everything we can share you about this Xiaomi vacuum cleaner G9. For more details, you're more than welcome to click the link that we put below and feel free to comment straight away. Next time we will have more interesting smart gadgets to share with you guys. Subscribe us and I'll see you next time. Peace.